sandwich mesh and trilobal for lining. I'm measuring from shoulder to bust and to waist plus joining allowance. So I'm taking my shoulder measurement divided by 2 and my armhole circumference divided by 2. For the neck, I'm going for 3 depth and 3 width, 3 inches. And for the back, I'm taking 1 inch. And then 1 inch for shoulder slope. And find the midpoint. And then make a curve. And my bust circumference divide by 2. And my waist circumference divide by 2. Cut the back neckline first. Then cut the front neckline. So I'm using the lining to cut the actual material. And leaving 1 inch allowance for the zipper because the sandwich fabric is not that much stretch. Open the back bodies. I meant to say open the back piece. And then cut the front neckline. For the skirt, we need our waist circumference divided by 6.28 and our length. So fold the fabric as I'm showing you at the paper. This is how I'm going to mark. Mark your radius. And measure your length. Don't forget to add allowance for the zipper. What I'm going to do, I'm going to line all the pieces. Cut the skirt open for the lining, for the zipper. Same with the lining. Then you line the skirt. and then attach all the pieces, like the bodice pieces at the shoulder first. Gather your sleeve. I have left the link on the description for how to draft the sleeve, and then attach your sleeve. Just make sure that everything is well gathered as you're sewing. I'm just pinning to show you where to sew. So you will attach the bodice after closing it, and then you will attach it to the skirt. Just so attach to the skirt and add your zipper. I couldn't capture while I was filming, so I skipped it by mistake. I'm sorry for that. So this is our finished dress. I just folded the fabric like as I'm showing you and attach with a needle just to make, I meant to say just for decor. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and comment.